Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today was actually going to be a first impressions review on the new Jackie Aina palette, the new Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I have yet to dig into this, but something came in yesterday, and it is the ABH Norvina Volume 1 palette. This came out on Monday, and I ordered it on Monday, and what's funny is that it showed up yesterday, which was Wednesday. So it showed up 2 days later, and I'm like, I was like so ecstatic. So this is what the outer carton looks like. It's a metal carton. It's unlike any of their other palettes before, but this is also a larger palette. These palettes, I believe, range from $42 to $45. This palette, and this has, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has 14 shades in it. And see, this even still has the little plastic in it because I haven't even touched that. This comes with 25 shades and it is $60. So this is more of a first impressions because this is the first time I am using it. Although this palette is absolutely stunning. Look at all of these colors. I used the more orangey coral colors today. I also used these two, so I kind of stayed in this range right here. Of course, there's all of this. I don't do a lot of purple looks, so, and you know, Norvina, she's always purple. So I haven't tried, of course, I haven't tried any of these out. I was going to do a 2 looks 1 palette. However, I kind of wanted to get this up because I was just really, really excited to play with it. I absolutely love all of the mattes in here. I did have a slight problem with it kind of fluffing away as I was layering it, but I think that was the eye primer that I was using. I'm not quite sure. But the colors are really, really vivid. They're blendable. They layer really well. And the shimmers are beautiful, but I am not as impressed with the shimmers as I am with the mattes. I am a person that likes more oomph with their shimmer colors. I like glitter. I always have. Those of you that have been following me for a while know that I like glitter. So although these shimmers are beautiful, they don't pack that punch that I like. But ABH's shimmers usually don't. They do have some palettes that have like toppers on them, in them. So I would probably, you know, delve in for that. I do have a topper on my eyes today. It is the Artist Couture Diamond Lights Finisher in Spotlight Glitz. That is the kind of glittery finish that you are seeing on the eyes. I did use C3 and E1, these two there, and then I just topped it with the Spotlight Glitz. Anyway, all in all, I absolutely love this palette. If you have been following me through my first channel, through my Facebook page, or whatever, you would know that I collect Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. So anytime they come out with a new palette, I always have to buy it. It doesn't matter what's out or whatever. Just I have to have it. The quality of her shadows are always really, really good. So that being said, if you want to see how I got this look, then let's get started. All right, you guys are in close. I am opening this up for the first time. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look at these colors. Oh, they're so beautiful. I don't know. I don't think I want to use the purples. I think what I want to do is like the reds and oranges in here. And then I don't know. I don't know for a shimmer. Maybe do a purple as a shimmer. Ooh, ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Okay, so y'all know me. I never know what I'm gonna do when I get started, but these oranges are really calling to me. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start out with E2. That is a kind of a lighter orange, and that's gonna go in the crease. So I'm gonna try to leave the mirror out of the way. I tend to do this when I'm filming and I completely forget. So I will try to leave it out of the way. So we're gonna do, wow, that's bright. We're going to do E2. This is gorgeous. I don't want it to be too monochromatic, but we'll see. This one, I think, yeah, the blue is a blue with glitter. And those of you that don't know, a lot of times, and I'm sorry, that's a poor swatch, which is why I don't do swatches on my channel, which the glitter ends up fluffing off, but that is a beautiful blue. I may use it today. We'll see. I don't know. Oof. I don't know if it's going to clash or not. So now what I'm going to do next, let me clean off this brush. I'm going to go in with E4. It's a slightly redder orange, more of a coral. So maybe it'll actually go with my shirt. So I'm gonna dip in with just the same brush. It's just a tapered blending brush. And I'm gonna go in and put that slightly lower on the crease, just to deepen up the crease. I am going to grab my IBY crease brush. I'm going to clean it first. And I'm going to take D3, which is a deeper red. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye as soon as I clean off this brush. Okay. It's clean. And I'm gonna go into D3. That is a gorgeous color. And then we're gonna put it right here on the edge. I almost want to get like a deep burnt red to maybe add a little bit more depth on the outer corner. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. The shade is gorgeous. Now what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into E5. It's like a brick red color. And I'm gonna put that a little bit on the outer corner. I wanna add a little bit more depth to this look. Because right now it's looking a little, well, it's not looking one-dimensional, but I want some kind of distinction. So we're gonna just put that on the outer corner. All right, I like the way that it's looking so far. I would do a cut crease, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take C3 and E1. I'm gonna use this number 18 Sephora small shader brush. It's a Sephora Pro brush. And I'm gonna go into C3. I almost don't. Yeah, that's kind of dark, but we'll go into C3 and E1, and then I'm gonna wet my brush. So go into C3, Wet the brush. And let's see how that comes out. That's pretty. Use. Never would have thought my look would be as monochromatic. Makes me kind of want to put, I think I'm going to do that. We'll do that. So I'm just going to bring it in 3/4 of the way. We are going to come back and blend all that out, so bear with me here. We're just going to clean this brush off, and then, or I think what I'm going to do is just flip to the other side. And then we're gonna grab E1. It's just a lighter kind of peachy tone. Woo! And oh, comes on gold. That is beautiful. Do is I'm just going to come in and blend these colors out really quickly. Just with this dome brush. I use the dome brush to blend all of my shadows out. That's just how I do things. Not a lot of people like to because it's like a dense, more dense brush. But I feel like I have more control over where I kind of diffuse everything. All right, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit of the E5 to the outer edges. All right, so that's what it's looking like so far. I'm going to use this Artist Couture. There we go. Oh, it's upside down. I'm going to use this Artist Couture Diamond Lights finisher in Spotlight Glitz. I've never used these before, so I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I mean, look at that. How can you go wrong with something like that? Okay. So let's just add a little something on to the lid because I want it to be like very sparkly. All right, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do liner, lashes, highlight, and all of that, and we will come back and do the lower lash line. I'll also do my face too. So yeah, we'll come back and do my lower lash line. So okay, I am back and everything is done. If you hear something in the background, that's just the alien that came in here after we're going to film. I'm taking D4, I'm going to put it on the outer third of the lower lash line. I'm going to take D2 and put that on the inner third. And then I think we're just going to diffuse it with B1. And I actually got the Jackie Aina palette before I got this one, but this one's so pretty I had to kind of dive into it. I'm gonna wet my brush first. A Luxie mini tapered 121. I'm going to use this and take B1 and diffuse the bottom lash line. Alright, I'm going to go off camera and finish my finish the, Jesus. I'm gonna go off camera and put liner on my waterline because I do not do that on camera, and mascara, and then we will come back and finish the look. Wave hi to everybody. Okay, we are going to use the Ofra highlighter in Glazed Donut, if it will ever focus. There it goes. And the Juvia's Place blending brush. I assume he's going to get another beer. Yes, I keep the refrigerator stocked with beer for that one.
Why?
We're gonna go in with Glazed Donut and just put that on. Woo. Ofra's highlighters are just like, seriously. That red look that I did, I'll put it up here. That red look that I did was the Ofra highlighter in Stars and Stripes. I didn't record it. I should have recorded it, but it was in Stars and Stripes. And that highlighter was blinding. Like, you could see me from space. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Liner in the color PDA. I'm hoping that this will go good with the lip color, or the lip color will go good with the look. All right, we're gonna go into the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Sherbert Shop. And, oh damn, that's bright. All right, we're gonna let that dry down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna actually put a lip topper on. Maybe that will make it not as bright. And this is the Jouer lip gloss in Beach Days. It's really pretty. I think that will go good with the eye look that I have on, and it will calm down this lipstick a little bit. You know, I think they came out with these at the beginning of the summer, and they're on sale right now, and I love them. There we go. And there is the finished look. I actually really like the way that it turned out, even though I had a few, I wasn't as impressed with the shimmers as I was the mattes in this palette. I did have an issue with the matte not layering correctly on one of the shadows that I had on, but it ended up coming out really, really well. So all in all, I think it's a really good palette, but it's, what's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. It's 25 shades. And I don't want to say the price right now because this person behind me is there. Okay.
You and me are going to talk later. I want a receipt.
I don't have a receipt. They don't send them.
Better figure it out. I need.
Okay. Anyway, this is a gorgeous palette. Honestly, the colors in here are not like anything I have, and I've got a lot of palettes, as you can see. Some people may think I have too many, but that being said, it's actually a really, really good palette. So if you liked this look, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this and follow me on my weight loss journey, I have not put an update up yet. I will very, very soon. Then hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of the family. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.